No, I don't have any connection. I can't film anything.
I'm calling customer service.
The Dial-Up Chronicles. Hey guys, so in this video, this is a previous live stream I did, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I thought I would edit it some. And in this video, I'm showing a gentleman coming to fix my phone and some of the details of that. So you'll hear me talking about a live stream, and this is just an edited version of that, so I hope you guys enjoy. Huh. Okay guys, I think I figured out what was going on. I was hooked to Wi-Fi instead of 5G. So let's see how this goes for a little while. But anyway, so it rained a couple weeks ago and my phone stopped working. And now he's up there trying to see what needs to be cleaned up in order to fix it. So he's right by me at the pole closest to my house, and there's these little black boxes that they have to mess with to figure out what's going on. Dang. Hey,
Man,
what do you got to do in those black boxes?
Like up there?
Yeah.
Man, those are just wire, that's copper wire that's coming through, feed through. Pretty much connections. And like it feeds all the way over to this box by these apartments that we have, that y'all got over here, that big apartment complex. I'm gonna give you a buzz and we're gonna see if it's working.
Okay.
So
cool.
Give me about 15 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put that back together, man. See, so basically that's what it is, man. It's kind of like connecting the dots.
Yeah.
Connecting the dots.
Right. That makes sense.
Kind of color coded. Some colors don't go with other colors. Things of that sort. Like we have a tip side and a rain side. If you cross those, you'll get what you call a cross. Sometimes you'll cross with other people's lines and all that type of stuff. So it's kind of like this side has to stay here and this side has to stay here. You can't cross them over. You can't touch. Stuff like that.
I see. Okay.
I'm gonna put it together.
Okay. Sounds good. So my traditional home phone stopped working about a week ago. Right. Home phone stopped working. Yeah, okay, seems like it's working. Anyway, so my home phone stopped working because it rained really heavy, and then it just makes a buzzy sound right now. So this is my traditional home phone. So let me show you that real quick here. Here we go. Here's where my traditional home phone is located, where the technician can fix it. So he's got his things hooked on there and he's trying to figure out what's going on. So this home phone here is what they call POTS, plain old telephone service, and it's just what we started with phones basically in the United States before we went to fiber and cell phones and digital. So all the wiring in this neighborhood is fueled by copper, and then the copper goes into a fiber base somewhere where AT&T is down the street somewhere. So let's see if my phone's disconnected. Okay. Let me check it out real quick. Trying to get better with this GoPro thing. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It says no line. So of course he has it disconnected to try to figure it out. So I saw him driving somewhere, so let's go see if we can find him. And I love my wife on the live stream.
Oh my god.
Oh, that got a good reaction. All right, let's see if we can find him. Come on. Okay. Oh, there he is. I see him. Okay. So there he is. He's trying to find the problem with my phone. And so all this is copper up here. These little black boxes. So he already knows what I'm doing. Hey, how's it going? Thanks for coming out here again.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, he's looking at the phone. Looks like he's got to go up here to try to fix it. I really don't know how to make a GoPro work correctly. Like something with my it's like a bad spot right there or something. Dang it. Anyway, he's got to get up there to fix my phone, fix the phone. Dang it. All right, let me try again. All right, guys. Well, he did get the phone working, of course. The phone is working well right now, and he did a great job. Thank you very much for coming out to my home. And this is what my home phone service looks like when it's working, of course, just like this picture. And I hope to show you more videos of me showing the infrastructure around my neighborhood that powers my dial-up internet service and my home phone service. So I hope to be making more videos soon, along with the live streams that I've been doing. Check out the live streams, check out the videos, like and subscribe, as we are providing dial-up memorabilia and such to you. Have a great one.